What is that noise? Oh! Check your phone now. I cannot believe this. Is that really her? Stay away from her. She is a thief. That is her jacket. She took the money. I did not do it. I am innocent. Please listen. I believe you didn't do that. It will be okay, Lily. Oh my God! I am totally shocked. Help me, Lola. Tell them the truth. I do not know anything. Leave me alone.
You broke our trust. The scholarship is canceled. You must leave. I am very disappointed. You are the new top student. Take this paper. Work hard.
Thank you, sir. I will do my best. I will study hard. I promise. I will go in your place to accept the scholarship. And study abroad at Harvard.
My life is completely ruined. I lost everything today. My phone is flashing. There is a red dot. I must follow it. It is very dark.
Welcome to the base. We know the truth. You are innocent. Let's work together.
Show me the data. We must find the hacker.
Look at this code. It is very strange. Watch closely.
They used the school network. The evidence is there. We found it. We got them.
Take this access card. Go to the server room. Do not make noise. Be extremely careful. I will count down now. Get ready to run!
I am in position. Do it right now.
What is happening outside? The alarm is ringing. Someone is there. I must check it.
The door is open. I am going inside.
The drive is connected. Start the download now. We have no time. Please be fast. It is too slow. He will come back soon.
Quick, stop them!
The guard is returning! Hide immediately!
I got it! I am hiding under the desk.
Nobody is here. The room is empty. It was a false alarm. I will lock the door.
He is gone. I have the proof. The truth is here. The game is over. Yes, I got it. Nobody can stop me now. Ha ha ha. This is my moment. I am the best student. I worked hard. Look at me.
Connecting to the projector. The system is ready. Everyone will see. Do it now.
Congratulations, Lola. You earned this great award. We are proud. Take it.
That is Lola's face. She is the real thief. I cannot believe it. Oh my God.
The truth is out. You cannot hide anymore. Your game is over. Take off your mask.
Why is it always you? I want to be just as talented and stand out like you do.
She always wins. I hate this shadow. I want to shine. It is not fair. I am just a stupid tree. I despise her. I will take this jacket. I will destroy her life completely. I was extremely jealous. Please forgive my mistake. Give me a chance. Do not leave me. You broke my trust. Our friendship is dead. I will never forgive you. Goodbye, Lola. I lost everything. I am completely alone now. I ruined my life. This is my punishment. The airport is huge. My new journey starts today. I am so ready. I feel free.
Your papers are perfect. Have a nice flight. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
Joe.
I am very excited. See you. The sky is so blue. I will build a new life. Hello, new world.